Westfield, Adrian, Addison. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 6:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail 6 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving east at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near North Cape and Maumee Bay around 5:10 p.m. Bulls Harbor of Refuge around 5:25 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Additional storms are expected to move through the region during the rest of the afternoon. A severe thunderstorm warning